Hey there! We're glad to have you on board here at Crypto Global, the right channel that will feed you anything about cryptocurrency. There is a maneuvering going on wherein you are being tricked just as the whole crypto world appears to be. Feeling clueless? Fret not! Because in this video, you will learn the factors as to why big cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, and a lot more are plummeting right now. What could be the factors for this? The ongoing war, China, Elon Musk? Tell us your opinion on this by leaving it in the comment section below and let's have a conversation later on. But before that, make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet, click the like button and ring that notification bell for updates. Let's get into this thing and let me tell you that it is Do Kwon, a South Korean crypto developer who crashed out. Well, guess how much? $2.7 billion. Yes, he pulled that out prior to the crash of Terra Luna, and this, ladies and gents, have been confirmed by the SEC. A lot of people in the crypto world would say that this move has influenced the crash of many cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, as this pulled down their value, and this theory may not be too far from the truth. If you meet Do Kwon right now, what kind of words would you say to him? Cause I probably have none, especially after it has been confirmed that he made a huge profit and that the SEC even had to stretch out their investigation into Terraform Labs' USD marketing, which was speculated to have commercialized their investors. It was said that there's been a breach of contract in the form of violating the investors' privacy and protection laws. SEC has shown interest in finding out how the firm promoted their now declining coin value in the American customers. The information came just a day after America's Court of Appeals released an order for Do Kwon to cooperate with the summons made by the SEC. Do Kwon and Terra Luna surely inflicted a huge loss to the cryptocurrency world that is spiraling down right now, and this is coming from the viewpoint of common people looking into the market, and they might think cryptocurrency isn't that game-changing or life-transforming after all. It's still a scam. And if you're a big crypto fan, this statement might hurt you. But here's the thing. As the investigation went further, they discovered that the fall of Terra is not really what contributed to the crash of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. What do you think is the main cause of cryptocurrency's downfall? Comment down below and tell us your thoughts about the matter. Chainalysis, a company that specializes in blockchain analysis, released a report after analyzing Terra USD's crash, and they concluded that Terra's crash is only a part of the whole picture. It wasn't the whole picture, not the deciding factor nor the last straw of it. This is what the report says, and quote, "The crypto's recent downturn appears more closely linked to tech market decline rather than USD's collapse." This is a statement from a representative of Chainalysis. Bitcoin's significance with the tech stock has become news for them, and it's a relatively new development. With it being the #1 crypto in the market, it's able to maintain its price with the NASDAQ 100 Technology Sector Index and the S&P 500 Index in 2022. Tech stock and NASDAQ S&P contributed to the increased correlation. A lot of experts, ordinary individuals, and even important players in the crypto scene see this as a threat given that Bitcoin is the biggest player in the crypto world. This has convinced a lot of people that we are in a threatening condition, and with this, we can claim that the crash of Bitcoin and other big cryptocurrencies is all because of its connection to tech stocks, which are also experiencing a decline. With that said, we can actually pinpoint which factors are to blame. We can place the fault on the ongoing war, or Elon Musk, who is being accused for controlling the economy. Or is it a late reaction to the recent pandemic? What's the main reason for this decline? Simple: inflation. Joe Biden and the rest of our government has hid things from us and have been controlling our economy. They're talking about inflation with big smiles on their faces as if the people are not suffering from it. Since 1981, this has been the highest the inflation went up to. In May, inflation is at 8.6%. The Consumer Price Index rose 8.6. In May from a year ago, the highest increase since December of core inflation excluding food and energy rose 6%. Both were higher than expected. Surging food, gas, and energy prices all contributed to the gain, with fuel up over 100% in the past year. This key point right here is the one that influences the financial condition of everybody, especially the poverty-stricken areas in the community. Shelter costs, which comprise about 1/3 of the Consumer Price Index, rose at the fastest 12-month pace in 31 years. The rise of inflation meant workers lost more ground in May, with real wages declining 0.6 from April and 3 on a 12-month basis. Before we proceed, we'd like to know if you actually believe that these numbers are correct. Or is it actually lower or higher? Let us know in the comment section down below how you're taking in this information. With inflation going on and having our higher-ups control the economy against our favor, how are we going to win on a daily basis and not fall victim into their trap of inflation? Choose the option that can endure inflation and the powerful people's control over the economy. We can opt for the one that stands the test of economic crisis, and that would be Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies. The focus here is to rack up as many Bitcoins as possible. Those who have been diligent following this channel would figure out by now that I do Bitcoin before other cryptocurrencies, and this can be seen in my portfolio. Honestly speaking, in the time to come, these cryptos won't be going up as fast as they did years ago. Most coins would eventually suffer, as they will be affected with whatever condition Bitcoin will be given that it is the alpha of the crypto world. Our US dollars can be used to our advantage and get ready for what's to come. Since Bitcoin is going down, we could prepare for when it propels back up again, just like what happened in March 2020. Here's the reason why I still trust the ruling of cryptocurrency. Nearly 66% of Bitcoin has not moved in over a year, marking an all-time high. Hodlers have never had more conviction. This is bullish. Today, even the escalation of Bitcoin, more people have actually become Bitcoin holders. Addresses holding at least one Bitcoin hits an all-time high of 848,082. Even Ethereum holders have increased. 2,400,000 plus Ethereum have now been burnt since EIP 1559 was launched. That's over $4.2 billion burnt forever. After all this time, I believe that this is the best place Ethereum has ever been. Ethereum number of addresses holding 100 plus Ethereum just hit a one-year high of 43,518. Before we end this video, here's something I would like for you to know, especially if you are someone who is anxious with what's going on with the bullish market. Do not give up. Instead of worrying, learn. Look at the charts and learn from them every day. Bitcoin will catapult once again, together with the other cryptocurrencies. So don't give up. Your time will eventually come, and Bitcoin will be there come the next elections. If you believe that the digital market will experience a shift in the future and that Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies will take its dominance again, let us know by clicking the like button, do subscribe on our channel, and ring that notification bell. Once again, this is Crypto Global, and we feed you anything about cryptocurrency. Get on board with us on our next video. Have a good day and a great crypto investing!